Hello guys, so Z53 video is back. Yeah, so today there is going to be an epic pack opening, so yeah. And for the battle I want to do a battle with Fenghuang, the new fire deity or something. I don't care. So yeah, let me turn off my video and set it somewhere. Yeah, good. Let's do the battle. Wait! I did something wrong. Anyways, let's see if we can defeat her in this try. I mean, most chances are that we can, but there are some chances that I don't want to speak of. As you see, she's a big loser. I mean, I'm telling the truth. Fenghuang herself is very less buff. Not that buff. But yeah, she can get forceful sometimes. So I have beaten her with Shadow Slayer many times, but never beaten her with the Kusarigama, so I'm trying it today. I actually didn't mean to try it. I thought I would just defeat it in the usual way. Stop it! What? No! Oh, I just won that. But I lost it. Oh guys, sorry. This is very hard. To the truth. Better. I need to win the next round. Please let me win. Please let me win. Please, Fenghuang, let me win. Please, Fenghuang. Better! fantastic, guys, today. So yeah, so now we can begin the pack opening. I just wanted to begin it by beating her. So yeah, now let's open the most favorite of every people in this world. I mean, not favorite, but yeah, it's not a good packet. Yeah, see, yeah, this packet is not actually that good. The unique Fenghuang packet is actually not good. Like, it doesn't give you anything. See? I mean, 100 shadow energy isn't that poor, but still, I'm opening it. Anyways, I fully finished the booster unit packet, so that's why it's an epic pack opening. I finished it, right? Whoa, Lotus packet! Yay! Nope, not this. Yeah, so we won 2 rewards in the Lotus packet. These are 15 keys and dies, which I don't even care about. I mean, like, why would you like to color your item? Right? But yeah, let's open it. This unique prison. I don't care about colors. Purple? Is that a good color? If it is, write in the comments. Yeah, so here we are finally going to do it. 200 gems, 1 legendary packet, 1 legendary card, 60 epic keys. Finally. Let's open it. Yeah, so, yeah. 3 cards. Shadow Slayer, thanks. 60 keys, 200 gems. Cool. That's what they call cool. Sorry, it lags a bit. Legendary Chapter V, the final thing. Let's open it. I hope I get Blood Reaper, please. Please give me Blood Reaper, please. Give me Blood Reaper. It is my honor to get worst items of all. Yay. Wow, I collected a set. Oh yeah, still, pack opening has not ended yet, so yeah. Let's continue with it. Yeah. I got this set. Hold on. Fantastic. Look at this. And yeah, I want to achieve what is it called? The Shadow Artisan set. But I only achieved the armor, so bruh. Anyways, let's open the chests. Yeah, the chests. Now let's open the chests. The epic chests. And we're gonna open 2 epic chests, so give me a legendary. Give me a legendary. Give me a legendary. No legendary. Sad. Very sad. But yeah, there's the next one, which might give us a legendary. Give me a legendary. Give me a legendary. Please. Come on. Legendary. 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 Nothing. Not a thing. Yeah, so I guess to continue this, let me open a Let me open a. Oh my god, look at it. Yeah, anyways, let's just buy it. This is pretty fantastic. Let's open it. Guys, let's open it. It's just time pass, nothing else. Wait, I have many powerful items right now. Let's go to my equipment. See whatever is available there. Whoa! Oh wow! Wow! This Shadow Diver's muzzle looks good. Yeah. I guess I'm gonna do a boss fight video soon. Yeah, the armor is still there. And the weapon is status there, of course. I used it to defeat... who? I don't remember. Yeah, I used it to defeat... Ling. Yeah, so my most powerful is this and this. I'm not sure which to use, actually. The legendary one or the Monkey King one. Festival King 04 equipped. Oh yeah. Legendary throwing things. Yeah, let's equip the best. And as I already know that there isn't going to be anything in here anymore, so... What? Yeah guys, let's